This is my walkthrough for the GitHub translator. And you just hit the download button and you open up the zip file, extract it. And we want to go to Python codes, and the Spectre Translator 1.1 is the one that has weights on it. You open that with Notepad. And you're going to want to save that to the name of your computer. If you put in your name in the beginning of the computer, my name is valued, of course. Name it and save it as an all files, not as a document file. We want to go to the learning and testing folders because you're going to need to tell it where these folders are saved at on your computer. So you can just copy where that location is and then paste it into the training directory. And do the same thing with the testing folder. And make sure you save it. And then copy whatever you saved it as so that when you go into Python or your terminal, you can run this directly. Now you may need to download something. It may give you an error code that says you need to download pip or something, install pip or something to directly into the Python code in order to run the program. And I already have all those things downloaded, so I can't show you that part. But if you do run into an error code, you can try telling the AI what your error code is, and it will usually assist you if you don't have a lot of experience running Python codes. I'm just showing you the different words that are in these directories. These are just samples of what the dog says over and over again of the same word. And these are different samples than the ones that it's testing on. The words in the testing folder are not the same as the words in the learning folder, are not identical copies, I should say. Now there's a few things that you can modify in the code. The duration of the seconds tells you how long of the file that it's looking at. You can change the learning rate. You can change the number of epochs. That's how many times it trains on it. You can change your weights for each word. And this is like if you have more samples of one word than another, then it's naturally going to guess more at that one where you have more samples at. So you need the weights to make it guess evenly, basically. And you can change your hop length. These are different things you can modify to try to test. Now the weights will change automatically. And we got an accuracy of 75% the way it was when we downloaded it. And you can increase that. It can get up to 85 or 86%. All right, well, have fun, and let me know if you can break my 85% barrier and get the program working better than that.